Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search at the bottom. Then tap at the search line at the top and write Edifier. Oh, sorry, not Edifier, just EARFUN. EARFUN. Okay, now search. And you should install the application what called Edifier Audio. Okay, now I'm going to speed up it for you. Now open it, agree, you can sign in into your account, create a new one, it's up to you, or skip it. I'm going to skip. Right here we need to click allow and allow again, and then we can add these earbuds. You can click at the plus, and we did it. In the next video I will show you how to add these earbuds to the app, so if you don't know how, you can check that video at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!